What did they say in commentary about, say, China, trade, and those tariffs that the U.S. still has?
For the first time, it really seemed like they put in the forefront what they've actually been saying for a while now, which is, listen, China overcapacity is still the problem. China is overproducing, spreading their aluminum throughout the world, and that is making about 50% of smelters around the globe unprofitable or cash negative. And so they're saying at these levels, more plants are going to have to shut down. And really what they're pointing at here is that Donald Trump's tariffs on imports in the United States don't address this issue. And this is what they've been saying constantly, and now they just put it right up front in their earnings report.
So meaning that, like, it's not necessarily the full-on price, it's still the overcapacity. So you can relegate imports all you want, but that's not really the problem, even if domestic premiums go up.
Exactly. If you keep imports from coming onshore to the United States, it doesn't necessarily mean that anybody, let alone China, are just going to stop producing, right? They just send it elsewhere. Maybe they send it to the Middle East, or they send it to the rest of Europe, or do they send it to other trading partners in Asia. That metal's still there. It's a globally traded price. And so whether or not the metal is sitting in the middle of the ocean or in the United States, it's just there.
But that means presumably prices are going down overseas. Okay, but what's happening in the United States? Because what is it doing for the core that actually President Trump's trying to address, which is aluminum companies here in the United States?
Yeah, and they talked about that. They said, listen, we are a net benefactor of the prices going up in the United States. The pricing going up in the United States is about this shipping cost. It's called a premium. And right now it's about 20 cents per pound. And because the tariffs are in, everybody has to pay whatever extra 10% on top of the 10 cents already having to be there. I know I'm in the weeds here, but basically, yes, what they said was, in fact, we are making money here in the United States, but that's a problem for them because they actually produce more in Canada than the United States. They ship it from their smelters in Canada down to the U.S. to their rolling mills, and they're actually paying their own tax to buy their own metal right now. So that was something they talked about last quarter.